Join me as I put the 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid to the test to see if it really lives up to the title of the best pickup truck. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid is generating a lot of buzz in the automotive world, and for good reason. With its impressive specs and innovative hybrid technology, it's definitely worth checking out. This new model promises to bring some exciting changes to the table, making it a strong contender for the top spot in the pickup truck market. One of the most significant advantages of the Hilux Hybrid is its potential to shake up the traditional pickup truck landscape. For years, we've seen the same old players dominating the market, but the Hilux Hybrid is looking to change the game. With its sleek design and advanced features, it's an exciting time for pickup truck enthusiasts. So, what makes the Hilux Hybrid so special? Let's take a closer look. Pickup truck owners today face a variety of challenges. One of the biggest concerns is fuel efficiency. With gas prices always fluctuating, it's hard to predict how much you'll be spending on fuel each month. And then there's the environmental impact to consider. Many people are looking for ways to reduce their carbon footprint, but with pickup trucks, that can be a tough task. Another challenge is performance. Pickup trucks are known for their power and capability, but that doesn't mean they can't be smooth and comfortable to drive. Owners want a truck that can handle tough jobs, but also provide a pleasant driving experience. When it comes to capability, pickup truck owners want a vehicle that can handle anything they throw at it. Whether it's towing a trailer, hauling heavy loads, or driving off-road, the truck needs to be up to the task. Not to mention, there's also the issue of maintenance. Pickup trucks are workhorses, and they need to be durable and reliable. Owners don't want to be worrying about constant repairs and maintenance. In addition to these practical concerns, there's also the matter of features and technology. Many modern pickup truck owners want the latest and greatest in infotainment systems, safety features, and driver assistance. Of course, budget is also a major consideration. Pickup trucks can range in price from affordable to extremely expensive, so owners need to find a vehicle that fits their budget. Some owners might prioritize towing capacity, while others might focus on payload capacity. Then there are those who want a truck that's designed for off-road driving. The list of challenges goes on, but the bottom line is that pickup truck owners have a lot to consider when choosing the right vehicle for their needs. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid is looking to address many of these challenges. With its advanced hybrid technology, it's aiming to provide better fuel efficiency and lower emissions. Let's dive deeper into the features of the 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid. One of the most exciting aspects is its hybrid powertrain. This combines a traditional gasoline engine with an electric motor, resulting in improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The Hilux Hybrid also boasts some impressive performance metrics. With a powerful engine and advanced transmission, it's capable of handling tough jobs with ease. In terms of design, the Hilux Hybrid has a sleek and modern look that's sure to turn heads. With its aggressive styling and aerodynamic features, it's a truck that's both functional and visually appealing. When it comes to capability, the Hilux Hybrid doesn't disappoint. With a strong towing capacity and impressive payload ratings, it's a truck that can handle just about anything. But what really sets the Hilux Hybrid apart is its advanced technology features. From its intuitive infotainment system to its suite of safety features, this truck has everything you need to stay connected and protected on the road. Compared to traditional trucks, the Hilux Hybrid has some significant advantages. For one, it's more fuel efficient, which can save owners money in the long run. It's also more environmentally friendly, with lower emissions and a reduced carbon footprint. Not to mention, the Hilux Hybrid has some impressive performance credentials. With its advanced hybrid powertrain, it's capable of delivering smooth and responsive acceleration. Some experts are already raving about the Hilux Hybrid, citing its impressive specs and innovative technology. One standout feature of the Hilux Hybrid is its exceptional fuel efficiency. With an estimated 30 miles per gallon in the city and 40 on the highway, it's a truck that's easy on the wallet. But don't just take our word for it. Many owners are already experiencing the benefits of the Hilux Hybrid for themselves. In terms of design, the Hilux Hybrid has a rugged yet refined look that's sure to appeal to a wide range of owners. The interior is also noteworthy, with premium materials and advanced features like heated seats and a touchscreen infotainment system. When it comes to capability, the Hilux Hybrid truly shines. With a maximum towing capacity of up to 7,000 pounds, it's a truck that can handle just about any task. The Hilux Hybrid also boasts an impressive payload rating, making it perfect for owners who need to haul heavy loads. Not to mention, the Hilux Hybrid has some advanced safety features, including a suite of airbags and a state-of-the-art collision avoidance system. The 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid is an exceptional pickup truck that's sure to turn heads. With its advanced hybrid technology, impressive performance metrics, and innovative features, it's a vehicle that's hard to beat. The Hilux Hybrid offers a unique combination of fuel efficiency, capability, and technology, making it a top contender in the pickup truck market. Its impressive specs and features make it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and capable pickup truck. Overall, the 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid is definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new pickup truck. What do you think about the 2025 Toyota Hilux Hybrid? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about hybrid vehicles or pickup trucks, be sure to check out our other videos.